to my YouTube channel. So today, it's gonna be fun because I will ask my family members about what is their favorite colors and why. So let's find out their answers. Let's go! Kuya Jay, what is your favorite color and why?
My favorite color, it's green. It represents harmony, stability, and renewal. And because of green, it makes me feel calm and relaxed. Especially, it's nature. It represents nature. So, kapag nakakita ko ng green, it's really easy on the eyes. And sometimes, it makes me feel so lucky and very happy. Yun lang.
Aaron, what is your favorite color?
Sky blue.
Why?
Because when I see it, I feel calm and happy.
Yes. Mommy, what is your favorite color and why?
Black. Kasi yung black, isa sa pinaka-paborito kong kulay yan. Kasi katulad yung mga damit na black, nakakapayat sa mga katulad namin matataba.
Yan. What is your favorite color?
Purple.
So now it's my turn. So my favorite color is pink because it makes me feel happy, relaxed, and confident. So after interviewing my family, I learned that everyone has a different color or different favorite color. And each color tells us a different background or different story about their personality and preferences. What about you? What is your favorite color? So comment down below. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!